What's up you guys, it's your girl Loverlee and I am back with another video. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a seahorse balloon mosaic frame. If you'd like to see me fill this frame with balloons, please turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified whenever I drop that video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, why? Why aren't you? Please press that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel to join the fam so you can learn a thing or two. Also, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. The template for this seahorse mosaic will be in my description box below. This is a 2 feet balloon mosaic frame. This is the smallest frame I've ever done, and I wanted to record it and show you guys how I did it. And it is not as easy as it looks. That tail that you see, it gave me a hard time, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made it easier for myself so you don't have to go through the stress that I did. By the way guys, I'm making a total of 3 of these frames, so that's why you see I'm using one that's already cut out as a stencil for the other 2. So the coronet, which is the top piece for the seahorse, came attached to the template, but I cut it off so that I can attach it later on after I finish making the mosaic frame. Alright guys, so here comes the hard part, which is the tail of this seahorse. As you can see, it is a really small and tiny space to work with, so that is where I'm going to start with, because whenever I'm doing something, I like to start with the most difficult part so I could get it out the way. So that is what I'm going to be working with, and for the side walls, I'm going to be using 3-inch strips of foam board because it is a small mosaic frame. As I said, it is 2 feet, so I do not need a 6-inch strip sidewall. So I'm going to be using 3 inches. And if you've seen my last video where I did a review on the Nickeloon balloon mosaics, you saw the curated cardboard sidewalls that they sent me in the kit. So that is what I'm going to be using for the tail section, because the foam board was too thick and it was giving me a hard time. So I'm going to be using the leftover piece of this cardboard, curated cardboard or whatever, to do the tail, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do that. So first I'm going to be cutting the cardboard in 3-inch strips so it can be aligned with the 3-inch strips of foam board whenever I add it to it. So now I'm just taking the cardboard, measuring out the sections on the tail that I need it for, using my X-acto knife to cut it out, and then I'm using my hot glue to glue it on to the tail of the seahorse. You could even use poster board if you cannot find any of these type of cardboard, or you can split your foam board in half. Alright, so now that the hard part is over with, and yes, it was really difficult for me at first because before I thought of the cardboard, I had no idea what I was going to use because that foam board was just too thick. But all you have to do now is take your foam board and finish off the rest of the frame. Normally, when I score my foam board, those lines that you see on the foam board, I normally do them in 1 inches, like the width of the ruler. But I did that, and then I cut those strips in half. So now they're like ½ inch scored lines on the foam board. I think I have a little clip and I'm going to insert it to show you guys exactly what I mean by that. Alright guys, so this is the final look for the seahorse before the balloons and the coronet is added. This is how it looks. Let me know if you're gonna try it in the comment section below, and also what you think about this video. I made a total of 3 of these babies. 2 of them are getting shipped out to someone that ordered, and then the other one is for me to fill with balloons. So if you'd like to see that, turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified when I drop that video. Give this video a thumbs up, as I said. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye!